The Bab movement emerged in the 19th century against the backdrop of a turbulent political and religious climate in Persia. Mirza Ali Muhammad, also known as the Bab, claimed to be the gate to the hidden Imam, a significant concept in Shia Islam, and thereby the pathway to divine knowledge. The Bab's teachings centered on the imminent appearance of the promised one of Islam, a messianic figure who would bring about a new spiritual age. Mirza Ali Muhammad gathered 18 disciples, and the significance of the number 19 in the Babi faith holds great importance. He reformed the Persian calendar, introducing 19 months of 19 days each, thereby emphasizing the spiritual significance of the number. Subsequently, the Bab renounced his title and declared himself to be the 12th Imam and later, a manifestation of God. The Babi's formal break with Islam in 1848 led to heightened conflicts with the established religious and political authorities. This resulted in the arrest and eventual execution of the Bab in 1850, marking a critical point in the movement's history. After the Bab's death, the Babi movement experienced a schism. One group, known as the Azalis, followed the Bab's appointed successor, Mirza Yahya Nuri, also known as Sub-e-Azal. Another faction, led by Baha'u'llah, the Bab's influential follower, formed the Baha'i faith. The Baha'is revered the Bab as a revered figure, while Baha'u'llah claimed to be the promised one foretold by the Bab. These developments marked the significant divergence of the Babi movement into distinct religious traditions in the 19th century Persia.